Hi, this is King of Review. Sean throws a coin into a well to make a wish. If this action is shown by formula y equals negative 5x squared plus 32x plus 14, what is the maximum it reaches in meters? So the path of the coin can look something like this. This is a parabola. Parabolas have an axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is the vertical line passing through the turning point of the graph. A parabola also has a vertex, which is this point here. You can see that the axis of symmetry passes through the vertex. If we were to plot this parabola on a coordinate plane, we'd have our x-axis and our y-axis. The y-axis represents the height of the coin. And the x-axis could represent something such as time. So what is the maximum point or the uppermost point of our graph? Well, that's right here. The vertex represents the maximum point of the graph. And if you find the y-coordinate of the vertex, this would represent the maximum height of the coin. And what about the x-coordinate of the vertex? The x-coordinate of the vertex, this represents the time at which the coin reaches its maximum height. So if we can find the coordinates for the vertex, specifically the y-coordinate, then we can find the maximum height that the coin reaches. How do we do this? Well, if we have an equation that's in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, the axis of symmetry is x equals negative b over 2a. Again, remember the axis of symmetry goes through the vertex point. So if we find the axis of symmetry, we will know the x-coordinate of the vertex. The a and b values in this equation here, the a and b values come from these numbers here. So let's look at our equation. We have y equals negative 5x squared plus 32x plus 14. In this case, a equals negative 5, b equals 32, and c equals 14. So the axis of symmetry is negative b over 2a. This equals negative 32 over 2 times negative 5. This equals negative 32 over negative 10, and we get 3.2. So 3.2 is the x-coordinate of the vertex. This represents the time at which the coin reaches the maximum height. So how do we find the y-coordinate? Well, now that we know the x-coordinate, let's plug that into our equation. F of 3.2 equals negative 5 times 3.2 squared plus 32 times 3.2 plus 14. When you work this out, you get 65.2. So 65.2 represents the y-coordinate of our vertex, and this is the maximum height that the coin reaches. So letter C is correct. 65.2 meters is the maximum height, and it reaches this after 3.2 seconds. Thanks for watching.